Welcome in, everyone. I'm glad you can join me. Today, I want to focus on the plants, the indoor and outdoor plants that help support your root chakra. I'm going to pull some cards to see what particular plants that you may need to focus on for this month. For the collective here, I do want to pull some kind of affirmation. I want to see what we have so far. What is the messages here, please, Spirit, regarding our root chakra, regarding our chakras for the collectives. We're going to help in healing and supporting our collectives here in all areas of their chakra, and what is the information that they need to see for this. All right, so the card that came out is a cultivate inner peace. A well cared for plant grows best. Spend time today cultivating inner peace, whether through meditation, breathing exercises, or time with your plants. So that is one of the messages here that our spirit has for you. Now, with the root chakra plants, I know in the first video of the month introducing what I wanted to help you guys in with the root chakra, I had some information, but some of the plants, indoor and outdoor, that will help your root chakra that I had mentioned were the snake plant. There was a ZZ plant. For outside, I believe it was oak trees, cedars, and pine trees. And this will help with your root chakra by getting out in nature and being around these particular plants, or just having some of them in your house or yard. There is a lot of other plants that can help you. You can also research plants to help in this area in your root chakra, and there could be a wider listing. But with these particular plants here, what I wanted to go over in helping you, you can add this in as part of your daily routine or just a weekly routine. But it's grounding energy here. So by having some of these plants around you, it's about grounding, survival, and connecting to the earth. The plants normally with the root into the soil are working with them and can help you strengthen your own energetic roots. And by the grounding energy, the plants are rooted in the earth. Just being near them helps you feel anchored, calm, and stable. Tending to the plants daily creates a routine that reinforces security and presence. And with the earth connection, the root chakra thrives on this. It's like an earth element energy. And the gardening, watering, or just simply touching the soil restores balance to your chakra, to your root chakra. The survival and nourishment from this is edible plants, herbs, root vegetables that remind you of your body's needs for food and stability. Key aspects of the root chakra as well. And then also the color therapy will help you as one of these healing practices also. And the plants with red blooms, any dark green foliage, or deep roots resonate with the chakra's energy. So for an example, the snake plant is very grounding. It cleanses stagnant energy. The aloe plant, it helps with healing and protective energy. There's also a peace lily that cleans air, restores harmony to the space. And some of the outdoor trees are strong root systems, and that's where your strong foundation starts. The root vegetables, by eating and growing them, nourishes your chakra. The herbs, for an example, the dandelion root that I had mentioned, that you can add into your hot tea with some cinnamon or some of the other suggestions. It supports detox and grounding. Any red flowers like roses or other types of flowers will help you. So what you could do is, as a ritual for this, guys, you could sit beside your plant, place your hands slightly on the soil or the pot, take a deep breath. Imagine roots from your body connecting into the soil, intertwining with the plant's roots. If you're outdoors, you can stand barefoot on the ground near a tree or a garden bed. Place your palms on the tree trunk or dig your fingers slightly in the soil to feel the earth holding you. There are affirmations that you could add in while you are watering your plants. As I nourish this plant, I nourish my roots, I am grounded, I am supported by the earth. So these are some of the ideas, guys, that will help you in helping your root chakra. I do want to see what else we have for you. What other information do we have regarding our plants to help our collectives focus on this area? What messages do we have, please? Whoops. I'm going to put them back in. All right, let's try this again. What are the messages? All right. That's what I wanted to see. All right, so I actually have here the wax plant. Now, this plant is for well-being. The wax plant is the slender vines are covered with white clusters of shiny star-shaped flowers. The flowers release an aroma similar to the jasmine to give you an instant mood boost. This particular plant, the light, it needs bright but indirect light. The humidity is high humidity, and you need to water it regularly. So the suggestion here, guys, is a wax plant. You can research this to see what this wax plant, more information about it. But this sounds great. It wants to mood boost you. So it wants to uplift you, is what the spirit is saying here. And then I have another card pull. I want to see what we have around our collectives, what information that we need to see here for this month around the indoor and outdoor plants to help our collectives heal. What are the messages here, Spirit? All right, that's one flipped up. I'm going to try one more. I have poppy. This is a particular plant. It's for reflection and tranquility. Can I get another? Oh. All right. I have iris. Intuition and communication. I might say this wrong. It's a chrysanthemum. Longevity and endurance. All right, guys, this is what I have for you. I hope you like this video. Please like and share, and I will see you in the next one. Love and light.